Clear, clean and refreshing drinking water. It's something we're used to. Water companies guarantee the supply of safe drinking water. The government has set requirements for this. To prove that the water meets these requirements, it is tested. The tests begin right at the start, when the water is extracted. This little bottle is just one of many. Hundreds of samples from the various water producers across the whole area must be tested regularly. The barcode on this little bottle plays a leading role in this. This barcode plays a very important role in the testing process, a process that is unique because it is largely automated. Drinking water is tested according to the provisions of the Water Supply Act. The Vitens laboratory is equipped to test water for chemical and bacterial substances. The scanner reads the barcode. Because it has already been decided which tests should be carried out, the system knows exactly where to send the bottle. This has to be communicated to the selection unit in just a fraction of a second. In the distribution part of the system, the bottle is guided along the right track for chemical or bacterial testing. Or if the system isn't sure, the bottle may be parked until the following morning. The samples are tested for various chemical and bacterial substance levels. The sample bottles enter the lab, where the automated part of the testing begins. Vitens makes all the culture media for the various tests. This is done at times when no actual tests are being carried out. Here, part of the sample is added to a culture medium and left to culture. Some bacteria are only visible after having been at a set temperature for a certain amount of time. Not all measurements are automated. Sometimes it just isn't cost effective, and some specific tests can only be carried out by hand. Here, the lab technicians check how the various bacteria have developed. They also check for Legionella, for instance. The processed petri dishes are now bacterial waste and must be removed and destroyed following a special procedure. Some of the samples are further checked for their pH, oxygen and metal levels. They are also tested one more time for ammonia, nitrate and nitrite, as well as a number of other substances listed in the Water Supply Act, such as pesticides. Testing for chemical substances is also a largely automated process. Here the samples once again pass a scanner and are guided to a buffer where they wait to be tested by hand at a later time for beta activity, for instance. Robots test or pre-process the various samples. The findings and data are recorded and, after approval, sent to the LIMS. After preparation, a number of tests follow. Thanks to automation and the fact that the technicians always know where a given sample is, even those tests carried out in the conventional manner are faster. This way, drinking water is always thoroughly tested, so that consumers can be certain of good, safe drinking water.